वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Children, whenever we start any new thing in our house or in our daily, in anything, when we start, first we pray Ganesh Ji. Today I am going to tell you about Ganesh story. Okay, shall we start then? Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी. Hello children, today I am going to start a new series of stories that is about Bal Ganesh. All children like Bal Ganesh, right? You know who is Bal Ganesh? Bal Ganesh is son of Mata Parvati and Pita Mahadev, Shivji, hai na? Yes. So, whenever we start any new thing, whenever we start praying, when we start new thing, what we do? First we pray Ganesh Ji. Then only we will start a new work. Why do we do like that? Children? Ganesh Ji removes all the obstacles from our work and he makes us successful. That's why we pray Ganesh Ji. And children, how Ganesh Ji was born? Yes, I will tell all these stories. How he has born, how he has got his elephant head, then how he got the Mushika, his Vahan, right? Mushika is a mouse, his vehicle, that is how he has got that. And what kind of child is Ganesha? All these things will be knowing in this series of the stories. So in the first story, I'm going to tell how Ganesh Ji has born. So that was Mount Kailash. That was very beautiful place. And in that mountain, Mata Parvati and Mahadev with Pramadgan, they used to reside on that mountain, Mount Kailash. So Shivji has got some work. So he left to do that work. Mata Parvati was at home. She was waiting for her husband, but he's not turning up. She thought maybe he has got some work. Let him complete his work and come. She was waiting for him. In the meantime, she was taking bath. In those olden days, they were not having soaps. They used to take bath with bathing powder, which is made naturally, like besan powder. All this, they used to rice flour, all these things they used to mix, and they used to make uptan. With that powder, they used to take bath. The traditional way of taking bath is like, first they used to apply oil to the body, then they used to massage. After that, they will take that uptan powder, bathing powder, they'll put some water into it, they'll make paste of it, and they'll apply on the body. And after 2 or 3 minutes, they will rub that uptan powder. Then that powder will fall. So she was also doing the same, and she gathered all the dust and she molded into the clay. And she molded that clay into a small cute boy toy, and that was so cute, and she was very impressed. She liked that toy, and she thought, I will give prana, life, to this toy, and I'll make the lively boy. So she chanted some mantras, and she took the sacred water and poured onto that clay toy. That clay toy had turned into a small boy, lovely, cute boy. with all the good qualities he was. He's very nice boy. As he born, he started talking, he started walking. When we born, we never have talked, right? After few years, we started talking. But this boy, as he born, he started talking and walking and listening and understanding the instructions, whatever mama is talking, he's able to understand even. Like that he was. And like that Ganesh has born. He saw here and there, Mama, Mama, I'm feeling hungry, give me something to eat. Like this, he started talking, to the mama. And he asked, Mama, who am I? What am I doing here? He asked like that. Then Parvati Mata said, My dear child, you are my son, Putra. You are my son, and I am your Mata, Parvati Mata. I am your mother, and you are my son. Like that, Ganeshji has born. Ganeshji is very obedient child. He used to listen to his mama. When mama tells something, he listens, he follows that. He follows whatever mama says. He's such an obedient boy. From Ganeshji, we all also have to learn how to be obedient to the parents. Children, you like it? Today we have seen how Ganeshji has born. The next story you will be seeing how Ganeshji has got the elephant head. Okay, children? Bye.